Your vehicle's servicing costs all taken care of. Service plans. Servicing your vehicle in line with the manufacturer's specification will maximise reliability, safety and fuel economy. It also ensures manufacturer compliance. Regular servicing increases your vehicle's resale value. You can tailor your service plan to your vehicle's servicing needs. Choose the duration of your plan and spread the cost just like your other household bills. Pay an affordable monthly instalment by direct debit. Protect your servicing costs from inflation for the duration of your plan. When your service is due, it's already paid for. Don't worry if your circumstances change. Your plan can be transferred or cancelled at any time. Join the hundreds of Pat Kirk customers already taking advantage of a service plan. Talk to us today about Pat Kirk service plans.